One of the worst things that can happen to you when you're using makeup is creasing and foundation that does not sit. It's embarrassing, it looks so bad. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Flavia and this is Beauty Secrets. Today we are going to try out a new tutorial by Jalia Walda. So I'm going to take you step by step on how she did the tutorial, and hopefully we are going to have a nice clear looking foundation that looks like our skin. This video is going to be linked in the link down below so that you can be able to also check it out yourself and probably see and tell us like how did we do well. So for the foundation to sit really well on your skin, there has to be no barrier, like nothing keeping it from sitting very well in your skin. You can check out my video on how I use the derma section to make sure that my skin is ready, no whiteheads, no nothing, so that when I use makeup it sits really well. So her first recommendation is to use sugar and lemon to exfoliate. Wash this off and then I'll be back. So I have finished washing off the lemon and sugar, and now I'm going to moisturize my skin so that I can begin, my makeup routine. So my skin tends to get super dry, and right now I'm from using lemon, so definitely need something that's going to hydrate my skin and it's not going to dry me out completely. So this is shea butter. This is shea butter for super dry skin. That's the trick. So now we are going to go in with a primer like she did, and right now I'm using the classic makeup primer. This is a mattifying primer and it will really give a nice base for the makeup to sit. So she starts off with the foundation. Right now I'm using the Maybelline's Superstay, and this is 370 Deep Bronze or Bronze Intense because I'm a little bit darker. So I had to go and get matched to be able to get this specific color, because the truth is I would have actually gone for a lighter one, but this is actually my shade and it works really well. So we are going to use a beauty blender, and that's because the beauty blender actually helps for your foundation, for you to not have too much foundation on your skin and to be able to blend it very well into your skin. So this is how my foundation is looking like right now. So she's now walking through the eyebrows. I don't usually like to do anything dramatic with my eyebrows because I think I have fuller eyebrows. However, I'm also going to just do a little bit, a little bit of eye pencil just to get things up a bit. So for highlighter, I'm going to use the Illegal Pro High Definition BB Cream. It's both a concealer and a highlighter, and I can be able to use it. So I'm also going to have some contour. This is the LA Colors contour stick, just to So for the highlighter to really sit very well, I have to look up like this so that it can go where it's supposed to go. Yeah. Powder. This is the classic makeup powder. So I'm taking my powder and yeah. So we're done with the makeup. Now I'm going to do my eyes. So my comments about this tutorial, I think this was a really good tutorial. I think I give props to Jalia Walda. This is really wonderful. If you would like to check out the original video, it is in the link below. And I think I have been able to pull it off and have my makeup to really look like my skin. So definitely the tips that she gave and also the step-by-step tutorial was really good in helping me to achieve this. I mean, this is the second time I'm applying makeup on my face, and if I can do this, then you can be able to do it too. So I like my look. I like how everything is looking put together and how my skin is just looking nice. Guys, this is the final look that we have from Jalia Walda's makeup tutorial. If you would like to see more of these, me trying out different makeup artists and trying out different makeup until we get the perfect look, then you should definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell. You don't want to miss a video.